I'm about 2 hours south of Sydney in a gorgeous piece of the world called Gerringong. I'm here at the shore. It's a holiday property and it was renovated by Aimee a Reno School student. You've probably seen this on the front of magazines, but I bet you've never been inside. Let me show you through. Hi! Come in. Thanks for having me. I'm going to take my shoes off because it's just what I do and it's beach vibes, right? Now show me around. I have seen so much of this house in magazines and in our book, but I want to see it in real life.
Yeah.
Come on. All right.
I'll show you. This is the hero room, I guess. This is the one that you see.
This is the one I've seen.
Yeah.
And you know what I love? I love that it's quite spacious. You haven't overpacked it with too much furniture.
Yeah.
Was that intentional?
Yeah, very intentional, because you just want it to be light and bright and airy.
And I want to come and touch this brick because you know we love painted brick. How did you do this one? Was this with a roller or a spray gun?
No, the guys just painted it with brush.
It's so much more interesting than just the plasterboard. It makes it feel like it's been there forever. And I love this big rug. How do you keep it so clean if this is an Airbnb?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Interesting, hey. So it's wool for starters, so it actually gets upholstered, like cleaned every 6 months. But it's also reversible, so this rug. So we've reversed it, so it's exactly the same on both sides.
Oh, so
yeah. So it's already had a year of that side. We get it upholstery cleaned and then we've flicked it onto the other side.
That is the smartest thing ever. I don't know why more rugs don't do that. And the gable ceiling is just gorgeous with the sort of symmetrical. It's such a good trick, that indoor-outdoor. We often say to create that indoor-outdoor feel, use the same ceiling lining inside and outside.
Yeah. There was an arch window there originally because it was an 80s house, and we've replaced them with larger windows, just again so that you can just look up to the sky.
Oh, Aimee, it's so beautiful out here.
It's gorgeous out here.
And it's great you've also got a pool, because often when you're near the beach, a house might think you don't need the pool. And I mean, look, the kidney shape never looked better.
I know. We've revived it a little bit.
You have?
Yeah.
And the pool toys, we all love those at the moment. They make it look great. Wow, I don't know where to look first.
It's big,
I love it. You've got like
seating everywhere.
The island and the table. How many people can you sit here?
11 or 12.
And talk to me about these this lighting arrangement.
I know.
It's sort of like we every now and then will string up one hook.
Yeah.
You've got like
three.
Yeah. And is that storage under here?
It is. Yep, 3 drawers.
Oh, great.
Yeah. We've got some
binoculars, which you do need. You can see the
You can see the whales. Yeah, you can see the whales. Yeah, when they migrate.
Oh, there we go. Little caps.
Activity.
Little caps off. All right, hang on. You got to focus it one eye at a time, apparently. Well, I'm looking for the coffees we've ordered.
Yeah.
And I can't see them en route.
They're coming.
Gorgeous. All right, let's talk kitchen.
So, kitchen, the original kitchen, because it was a 1980s kind of tile beast is what I called it. The sink was here, so you looked out onto the road, which clearly doesn't work.
Oh, this is the view I want.
That was,
This is the view I want. Washing up over here when I could be.
When you could be looking that way.
That's the view.
It's just crazy, isn't it?
Over here. All right, where to next? What else is up here?
Master bedroom.
All right.
And some bathrooms up here.
Okay, let's have a look.
This is the master bedroom.
Oh, it's a good size.
It's a good size, isn't it?
It is really good. Like I didn't know that it was going to open up.
And so every bedroom actually has its own ensuite or bathroom. So there's 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms.
You're kidding.
No.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so the whole idea, if you go away with a group of people, the last thing you want to do in the middle of the night sharing a bathroom.
God, I never like to share a bathroom. Even with Bonnie and Aaron, I don't like to share a bathroom.
It's not pleasant.
You know, Bonnie couldn't care less. She hops into bed with me. I'm like, oh, that's uncomfortable.
Yeah. And then through to the ensuite,
the
which is the
good. And this is really big too. And is this a sconce? Does this have a light?
You could put a light in there, but no, it's just wall art. Just something interesting.
We love it. We hang gardening tools on the wall and call it wall art. Well, Bonnie does. But...
Yeah, you have to have.
Okay, another bathroom.
Another bathroom. Yes. This is kind of the main bathroom for the upstairs, like
for the living guests to pop in here.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, I want to see downstairs.
Okay, let's go.
It's lovely to have a void in your front entry, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, what's this? Feels like a sauna, a Swedish sauna.
Gosh, that would be nice, wouldn't it? We'll have to add that to the list. No, this is the mudroom. So, you know, when you come back from the beach, I mean, you can come through the downstairs or you can come through the back door there. You know, I mean, the first thing that you want to do when you walk in the door, take the shoes off, but who needs to see them at the door? Chuck them in here.
You know who you're talking to, Mrs.
Exactly.
Central.
Exactly. So this is the downstairs living room.
It's huge. And again, you've made it feel big by not putting in too much furniture.
Yeah.
This is a huge bar.
It is. And the whole idea of this is that it's got all the plasticware for the pool. So when you're in the pool area, you don't need to keep going upstairs. So it's got all your plasticware in there.
You weren't kidding either. Look at that. And so what are your best tips for creating a holiday let property?
Full length mirror, for one. Full length mirror needs to be in every bedroom.
Yeah.
If you can do it and you've got the space and the budget, a bathroom for every bedroom, I think just makes it that holiday feeling when guests are there and they've got their own space. And I think for a holiday property, just having something that's a little unique point of difference. So we've kind of, I guess, got the pool in that it's heated all year round. So guests can literally swim in July.
You've won me over with that. Yeah. You know how to make a nice bed, I've got to say.
Yes.
You've totally got it. It does. And you love a karate chop cushion.
Yeah, we do.
And I'm loving the shiplap here. It was on your upstairs, it was on your ceiling.
Exactly.
Here it's on
and then
your
just
wall.
bring it through a little bit just here, just for that kind of coastal feel. And again, just to bring that interest to the walls, because there's a lot of wall space. There could be a lot of just gyprock.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. Oh, and this one's got the pool view room.
It does. Yeah, the other was garden view. This is pool view. So everyone's got their own little view and own bathroom, of course. So this is the bathroom that goes with this bedroom, and also sort of a main bathroom for downstairs.
Oh yes, fantastic.
Yeah. So this is the courtyard room.
Oh, so there really are bedrooms. There's the garden, the pool, and the courtyard room.
Yeah.
You are like a hotel.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I love the timber deck. Again, feels beautiful underfoot.
It is, all natural.
Oh, these stairs remind me of Bonnie's Pearl Beach house, where she's got what we call stadium seating.
I was just going to say stadium seating. Yeah,
for
exactly.
whatever sport, soccer, kick around, backyard cricket. Oh, I love the your rear view is really attractive. And you're a Reno schooler. Which intake did you join in?
The first one. Oh, yes.
So you're an original gangster Reno schooler.
Yep.
Oh, good on you. So you would have had those learnings when doing this project. How did it help you?
It helped me with the gap between knowing how to work with and talk with tradesmen, I think. We'd done a few renovations prior to this, and my husband is in commercial construction, but I knew that I wanted to manage this one by myself, and I'd done Reno School prior to this, but I knew even then, probably even 10 years ago, that I wanted to do something like this. It's always been on my, in my mind.
Good. And what about the Facebook community that we've got?
Oh, they're
Were they
great.
helpful?
Yeah, and helpful and super supportive. Yes. Yeah. I mean, they're just
it's like it's just when times are tough because renovating's hard. No renovation's easy. No. It's great to have that support there.
Yeah, it is. No.
Well, make sure you get on there and support others.
Yes, I do.
Because you're like an expert now, an OG. Plus, you've produced this amazing property. It's just so lovely, Aimee. I just want to stay here.
And I love coming down here myself with our family and friends as well. So
how do you get yourself in? Do you have to block a...
Yeah, about 6 or 9 months in advance. Yeah.